In the quiet of the morning light, you are near, my guiding sight. In the chaos, when I can't see through, still my heart remembers you. When the shadows try to hide your grace, I still feel your arms embrace. Every breath you're in it all, I will not fear, for you will not fall. Ever present God, you're here with me. Through the storm, through the raging sea, you are constant, you are true. Ever present God, I'm held by you. When I wander far and lose my way, still your mercy finds its place. You go before me, behind, within. You call me yours again and again. Even in the silence, I hear your song, whispering that I belong. In the fire or gentle rain, you are faithful, you remain. Ever present God, you're here with me. Through the storm, through the raging sea, you are constant, you are true. Ever present God, I'm held by you. No height, no depth, no fear, no shame can ever hide me from your name. Your spirit moves where my heart bleeds. You're the answer to all my needs. Ever present God, I rest in you. In